Today I'm going to teach you how to grab a still in DaVinci Resolve. This is a super useful feature when you need to capture a specific frame from your video, whether it's for color grading reference, creating thumbnails, or comparing different shots. Let's jump right in. First things first, open up DaVinci Resolve on your computer. Once you've got the program running and your project loaded, you'll need to navigate to the right workspace for this task. At the bottom of your screen, you'll see several workspace tabs. Go ahead and click on the one labeled color. This is where all the magic happens for color grading and frame management, and it's also where you'll be able to grab stills from your footage. Now that you're in the color workspace, you should see your video displayed in the viewer. Take a moment to scrub through your timeline and find the exact frame you want to capture. This could be a beautiful shot, a specific moment you want to reference later, or simply a frame that represents the look you're going for in your project. Once you've found that perfect moment, position the playhead right on that frame. You want to make sure you're on the exact spot because this will be your still image. Next, right-click directly on the video in the viewer. A context menu will pop up with several options. From this menu, look for and click on Grab Still. This action instantly captures the current frame and saves it as a reference image that you can use throughout your project. It's that simple, but incredibly powerful for maintaining consistency in your color grading work. After you've grabbed the still, shift your attention to the left side of the screen. Here you'll find the Image Gallery panel. This is where DaVinci Resolve stores all your grabbed stills in an organized manner. You should be able to see the still you just captured sitting right there in the gallery. This panel is incredibly handy because you can store multiple stills and use them to compare different looks or maintain color consistency across various scenes in your project. And there you have it, you've successfully grabbed a still in DaVinci Resolve. This simple technique can significantly improve your workflow, especially when you're working on complex color grading projects or need to match looks across different shots. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.